Hi everyone, it's Kay here, back to keep working on my journal for Valia's Craft Studio using the Zinnias Kit. And I was going to do the cover with you, but I decided to do the cover before I did the no-sew bit and then show you how it works. So I just put some lace on the edges here, back and front, and this was a piece that I got from a person who sells on Facebook, and I cut this young woman out from this image here and popped her up on some other card, and it had fortunately had some of this coloured lace that were sort of like a flower, and then I got some bling in there. I did put some gold buttons, but it was a bit too much, I felt, for this sort of rustic kind of look for the young woman. I think that's not glued down properly. I'm just going to rub that out. I don't want glue on my front. So anyway, so to do a no-sew journal, when I first started doing journals, this is how I made them. But I used to wrap around my elastic around the top and the bottom, and then I bought a crocodile, and I thought, oh, hang on, why am I wrapping it around the top when I can actually take my crocodile and create a hole down the spine. Hopefully I've got it where I want it. Another bit on the other side of sewing, punching a hole through materials leaves for a funny sort of shape. But that's right, because it will be covered with a eyelet, and so it might be so nice if I can get the eyelet to work, because quite often the eyelet won't punch properly. I think I'm not the only person who has trouble with that kind of stuff, so hopefully this works. Just going to pop that round that way, so I've got good leverage, because I found that sometimes I don't have good leverage, it doesn't work. Well, that was good. I went straight through first time. You beauty. And then the other side. Well, they're not very straight, are they? Oh well. Because quite often I'll usually use a lace on the edge here as well. But why I'm using rivets is so that it doesn't tear the inner workings. Oh, here you go. Material doesn't tear the material and the cover. Yes, way. So you can use string, ribbon. I use elastic because I just like the elastic, because it's stretchy and you can put more things in. So the idea is that you pop that through there, and you have the middle just hanging there for a minute, and just pop the other end through there. Hopefully I've got enough here. You can buy this hat elastic from Spotlight, but you can also get this elastic from in a container with white from Woolworths supermarkets. So they may be available in other supermarkets as well. It's just that I have a Woolworths near me, so when I saw some, I thought, oh yes, good, I don't have to keep going to Spotlight all the time. The reason why we do two is just that because when you do one, it doesn't actually give it a bit of steadiness. I think that's the word I'm looking for. And just do a knot, basically. Bow. I'm pulling it because I don't want it to be too loose. and make sure you've got some ends so that it has room for growth. And then pop the journal in, find the middle. And the reason why I like this method is that because you can take the pages out and work on them out. So if you wanted to say work on this page, you just take it out, and then when you finished it, take it out, take it out, and then when you finished it with it, you pop it back in again. Easy. That's why I like this. I haven't done a no-sew journal for ages. So then, because it's quite, I could have used a white one because I would have gone with the lace I got here. Because it sort of sticks out a little bit like a sore thumb, I'm going to get some lace, more lace, and pop it on top. Let's see. Do I want to use that colour again? It's like a deep peach, really. Not sure if it is. It sort of looks orangey though. I've used this lace throughout the journal, so this might work. Could go like that, but you can still see the black. What else could I use besides that? I'm just going to look for something and be back directly. Should have got it out before, sorry. That took a bit of a while to decide what to do. Sorry, no time at all for you, but decided to use this trim. I'm going to put that on top, and I'm not too sure if it's going to stay there very well, so I've got the lace just in case. So I'm just going to put some fabric glue, the last bit of the 450 that I had. Let's go and see if I've got any more, but the last couple of times I've been there I haven't had any spotlight. Cut that. And the other side. Matches the material anyway, this does. Got a feeling it's not going to work because it's not very wide. Staying there for the moment. Do I want to put the lace on top? That's the question. See the little tassel poking out the top? I'll show you the flip through. Perhaps not today because it's taken longer than I thought. Trouble is when you stop the video to find something, then you lose track of the time, how long it takes. Just deciding whether I just like it the way it is. Maybe you could just do a bit of a trim. Maybe that one, or this one. That works. This is the other one. Sorry, you probably couldn't see because my hands were in the way. There's that one. That's nice and delicate. And there's this one here, or on the same bit of cardboard here. Oh, I can get it off. This trim. I think I'm actually leaning towards the soft one. But then on the other hand, that was sort of more, no it's not, it's a different colour altogether. Okay, let's do the soft one. Oh. Which way around? Look about the same on both sides to me. I'm sure there's a right way, but I can't decide which one. Make sure it's all stuck down. Well, that looks very effective. I think that looks quite effective. And then I don't think I need one for the back, but I do need a tie. So I've got some seam binding ribbon here that goes. One or two? One. There's one journal finished. I think I need to come back and do the flip through. I've got no idea how long this is taken. So I'll come back and do the flip through soon, tomorrow, hopefully. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. I hope you've enjoyed me watching me doing the putting in the signature. Thank you once again for being here. Please take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.